In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how to do online marketing for beginners. Well, make sure you keep listening because I am going to tell you some steps and give you methods which can help you start digital marketing even if you're starting as a beginner. So I suggest that you avoid any distractions and pay attention to the strategies that I am going to share with you. Keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you, so let's get into it. So let me start by telling you about the concept of digital marketing. Digital marketing is the process of promoting and selling products and services by using online marketing methods, which may be social media marketing, search engine marketing, and email marketing. Today, this is the way businesses are getting their message in front of their best prospects and customers. The basic key rule for online marketing is to make the right offer at the right time and in the right place to the right people. Your customers are online. They may be hanging out in social media, staying updated on news sites and blogs, and searching on Google when they have a need or a pain point or a problem. The good thing about digital marketing is it puts you in those same channels, so your best prospects can see you, find out more about you, and even ask questions to learn more about you and your products or services. The key for your success is to develop a digital marketing strategy that puts you in all the places your followers are already hanging out online, then using a variety of digital channels to connect with them in a variety of ways. Here are some things that you can do. You can create engaging and highly relevant content to keep them updated with industry news, the problems they're facing, and how you solve those problems. You can use different social media platforms to share that content and then engage with them as friends and followers. You can also utilize Google and the search engine optimization (SEO) to optimize your content so it will show up in the search engines when someone is searching for the information or using the keywords you've written about. Another useful method is to apply advertising to drive paid traffic to your website where people can see your products and services. Another very effective way to reach out, connect, and build relationships with prospects is to use email marketing to follow up with your audience to be sure they continue to get the solutions they're looking for. When you put all these methods together, your outcome will give you an easy to operate digital marketing plan. It's as simple as learning and implementing one digital marketing tactic at a time. Here, now let me tell you about the benefits of digital marketing for an online business. Having a strong digital presence will help you in several ways. These include: it will make it easier to create awareness and engagement both before and after the sale. It will help you convert new buyers into raving fans who buy more and more often. It will boost word of mouth and social sharing and all the benefits that come with them. It will decrease the buyer's journey by presenting the right offers at the right time. I will now give you some strategies and methods to help you start digital marketing. Here we go. So the first strategy is to use a digital marketing strategy template. The journey of the customer. This is essentially the start of digital marketing. With a customer value journey that strategically builds a relationship with new prospects and converts them into loyal repeat customers. This journey is the process that every prospect goes through to become a new customer. It's how the strangers became buyers and eventually raving fans of your business. When you understand the customer value journey, even reviews and referrals will become automatic. Let me now give you a few steps to help you do this. Here we go. So the first step is the awareness stage. Before someone can purchase from you, they have to realize you exist online. This step is pretty self-explanatory. It's where people can become more aware of you. After all, nobody is born knowing who Apple or Amazon are. At some point, they have to become aware of these companies if they are to become a customer. The same thing is true of your business. There are some digital marketing disciplines that will help you create awareness. To improve awareness of your business, the digital marketing methods you will need include digital advertising, search marketing, content marketing, and social media marketing. Here is the next step, the engagement stage. Your prospect is now aware of you. They know who you are, but you're still in the early stages of a relationship with them. They don't yet know you, like you, or trust you. So the next step is to start developing relationships with your prospect. Step 2, engagement, is where you start conversing with your prospects. You can engage them through some form of content that provides entertainment, information, or both. Engagement is something that must continue throughout the customer journey. It's not something you do once and move on. Let me tell you about the digital marketing tactics that can help you create engagement with your prospects. To improve engagement in your business, the digital marketing tactics you need to be skilled at include content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. Let me give you another step, the subscription stage. At this point, your prospect knows who you are and has engaged with you in some way or another online. However, if you did not get that person's contact information, you probably will not see them again. Because people today are constantly updated with marketing and content, creating a lack of attention. Just because someone reads one of your blog posts today does not mean they'll remember to revisit your site in the future. Instead, you need to get that person to progress, which is to subscribe. Here, the person gives you their contact information and in doing so, grants you permission to contact them again in the future. Most often, this transaction is usually an exchange, sometimes known as an ethical bribe. You promote a valuable offer, but instead of asking for money, you ask for the prospect's contact information, such as their email address. And when they give it to you, not only do you give them access to the content, product or service you promised, you also add them to your subscriber list. There are a few internet marketing methods that will help you generate more subscribers for your online business. To get more subscriptions for your online business, the online marketing areas you will need to be skilled at include content marketing, email marketing, digital advertising, and conversion rate optimization. Here is the next step, converting the prospect stage. If the subscribers you get remain engaged, some of them will be ready to increase their level of commitment. They like the information you provide them and have begun to trust you, so they're ready to invest in one of two ways. This can be either with time or money. This is an important stage in the customer journey and one that frustrates many business owners. The key to getting things right in this stage is to implement what is sometimes called entry point offers. These offers are designed to give the new prospect massive value without forcing them to put too much in, to invest too much. At this stage, to ask for a big investment in a complex product or service would be asking a little too much too soon. You're still in the early stages of relationship. In fact, it's too early even to concern yourself with profitability. That's right, in this stage of the customer's journey, you may lose money on the prospects you acquire as buyers. The converting stage of the customer value journey is about acquiring buyers or increasing the commitment level of the leads you already have. It is not about making a profit. There are a few key internet marketing disciplines that can really help you to generate more conversions. Here are the skills you will need. They include digital advertising, content marketing, email marketing, and search engine marketing. Let me give you another step, the customer excitement stage. At this point, your new customer has had a transaction with you. A small transaction, sure, but a transaction nonetheless. Your job now is to make sure the transaction is a good one, that the excitement of the purchase develops into goodwill and trust. The reason for this is simple. If the person doesn't get value from this transaction, they won't move on to the next stage and purchase more expensive things from you. So, how do you make sure your customers have a good experience? First, we assume that whatever the prospect purchased or gave up valuable time for is outstanding. Great marketing will only increase the speed at which your business fails if you don't have outstanding products and services. The next thing, the prospect must get value from their last transaction with you. The excite stage of the customer value journey is something you must return to again and again, and every time it should create excitement. That being the case, whenever a customer or prospect does what you ask them to do, attends this webinar, buy this product, hire me for this service. You should engineer your marketing to maximize the chances they'll get tangible value from the experience. This stage is all about ensuring that your marketing is giving your customer opportunity to get value from doing business with you and to enjoy that value right away. Let me tell you the digital marketing processes that can help you create more excitement with your customers. Here are the skilled areas you need. These include email marketing and content marketing. Here is the next method: developing a content marketing strategy. And done right, your content marketing will not only attract prospects but also move them through a marketing funnel to drive more sales and grow your business. Let me now tell you about the methods of well-executed content marketing. Let's start with a good understanding of what we mean when we say content. Your content needs to be good. Now, what do we mean by that? Good content isn't about you, your brand, or your objectives. It's about delivering the right information to your prospects at exactly the right point in the customer's journey. The big misconception is that content marketing is blogging. While blogs are a major component of content marketing, they are only a part of the bigger picture. In fact, in most cases, a blog is not the most lucrative form of content marketing. Let's look at each stage of the funnel and the content needed at those stages. The prospects entering the top of your funnel are completely unaware of your solution and often completely unaware of their problem. As a result, you need content with a low barrier to entry, because at this stage they have little to no motivation to put skin in the game, such as giving your contact information or money. You need freely available content at the top of the funnel that entertains people, educates people, or inspires people. And you need to make it readily available using content types like blog posts, social media updates, infographics, photographs, digital magazines and books, audio, video and podcasts, microsites, print magazines and newsletters, and primary research. Now, I have a question for you. Which method from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So, the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you get started with online marketing even as a beginner. If you want to accelerate your learning and develop your digital skills with step-by-step training with leading industry experts to learn and understand digital marketing, go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video now and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.